Settings for Amaysim for any iPhone. Let's see. All iPhone settings for Amaysim Australia, full settings step by step in this video. Step 1. Go to Home Screen. Step 2. Open Settings. Step 3. Select Cellular. Step 4. Cellular Data Option. Step 6. LTE now enabled. And then you will need to update your APN settings as follows in the respective columns. APN, username, password, MMS APN, MMSC, MMS Proxy, MMS Message Size, MMS UA Prof URL, Then restart your iPhone and LTE will start working. Check Internet settings.